Hello, I'm attorney Mark Tychkowski.
And I'm attorney Renee Reed, and we're making sense of Wisconsin divorce. If you're considering a divorce, here are some things to keep in mind.
Should you create a will or update your will? The short answer is yes. In all likelihood, if you have a will, you're leaving everything to your spouse, which you may not want to do any longer. If you do not have a will, everything would go to your spouse. In conjunction with that, you will probably want to create powers of attorney for healthcare and financial. In all likelihood, if you have them, you have your spouse as the agent who would make those decisions for you. It may very well be that you would want someone else to make those decisions during a divorce.
One issue is whether or not to stay in the marital home. If you own a home and have children, or would like the house in the divorce, then we recommend you ask your spouse to move out instead. Especially with children, the marital home provides stability and could improve your chances of getting additional placement.
Do you need an attorney for a divorce? Wisconsin law does not require you to have an attorney. Unless it's a very short-term marriage with no children, in all likelihood you will need an attorney.
Lastly, it's smart to gather copies of as much financial documentation as you can. This way, your attorney will immediately have the tools in order to give you some advice regarding the financial circumstances. We recommend the last 2 years' tax returns, most recent pay stubs, and documentation of all assets and debts. Being prepared and organized throughout the divorce will be helpful to both you and your attorney.
We hope you find these tips helpful. Please stay tuned for additional legal tips from Remley and Sensenbrenner.